Begin with major developments in the Larry Nassar scandal. The disgraced former MSU doctor claiming he was attacked in prison.
Nassar says the assault came just hours after he was put into general population. And he says the judge who put him behind bars is to blame.
Now Nassar is appealing his sentence and asking for better protection.
Investigator Simon Shaquette is live now with his chances of success and what's likely to happen next. Simon?
Glenda, Dave, today 2 independent legal experts are sounding off on Nassar's request for better protection and less prison time. Both believe only one of those could become a reality. He's been called a monster who betrayed the trust of young women at Michigan State University and within the USA Gymnastics program.
Larry found sexual satisfaction in our suffering.
Larry Nassar's countless victims described him sexually assaulting them for years under the guise of giving treatment. He would eventually plead guilty to get 60 years in prison, while the university paid $500 million settlement to victims. An expert in cases dealing with sexual abuse of women and children, attorney Bill Seikele reacts to Nassar's claims that both the judge and many victims in court were unfair.
It's a guy who's represented so many kids and women who've been through this process. It's important, Simon. It's important that these women be allowed to talk about what happened to them. That's a huge step in the healing process.
Nassar has also called himself a victim, violently attacked this past May in general population. He was housed in Arizona soon after being locked up. He's accused the judge of fueling that violence.
Sexual predators, especially with children, are the #1 target in prison amongst other prisoners for attack.
Attorney Wolf Mueller, another legal expert, says any attacks are not a surprise. Furthermore, there's only one way to ensure Nassar's safety.
It's completely predictable what happened was going to happen. Now, if you're interested in his safety, you have to put him in isolation.
We tried to reach an attorney for Nassar, but so far no response. You can bet 300 women who've spoken against him do not agree with his appeal request. Dave, Glenda?
Simon, thank you. Meantime, we've posted Dr. Larry Nassar's entire appeal on our website to check it out, to see why he doesn't believe the judge was impartial in this decision. Head to WXYZ.com.